really like our theme song.
Oh yeah, that was me and Clint Carlson back in the day.
Yeah, it's kind of it like makes you feel sort of a, oh, I don't even know what I'm trying to say.
Oh, that's okay. We'll just, you know, this part we won't even hear.
Oh yeah, okay.
Hey, Boozhoo! Welcome back to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and to my right is the lovely and talented Natasha. Ikadom Boozhoo, Natasha. Say hello.
Boozhoo Gakina! Hello everyone! Welcome to the show!
And today, you want to do the Ojibwe phrase of the day?
Yeah, sure. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Megwa o mimi. How do you say cry?
ADEMO.
Oh yeah. Megwa o mimi ADEMO. When doves cry. And that's the name of the song. All right.
All right. Now I'm just waiting for the song to start. The first part's going to work for sure, though. You know what? You know when I cry? Every time in the Jungle Book, when Mowgli thinks Baloo is dead, and the panther comes down and he's like, "You got to be brave, like Baloo was." Oh, to this day, when I see that, I lose it. Hey, if you're a parent, make sure your kid sees the Jungle Book. Every kid should see that movie. It's a really good movie. If you don't show your kid the Jungle Book, that's child abuse. Eh? No, not really. When's that song gonna come on?
Dig, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can, my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets and bloom. Animals strike curious poses. They feel the heat between me and you. Leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry. Oh, you really sing pretty there, sweetie. When doves cry, Megwa o mimi ADEMO. Megwa o mimi ADEMO. When doves cry. And, yeah.
And that's how you do that. All right. Hey, thank you for listening. Miigwech Bizin Da Wieg. Thank you for listening. And thank you for watching. All right. Why don't you tell the people, say goodbye to the people.
Well, hey, you have been watching Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture and songs and whatever. I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minawa. Oh.
take off?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
All right. Yeah, I'll see you later.